What's up, Team Touch? It's the big homie, Touch a Dollar. And today we're going to talk about income streams. How many have you identified and utilized? Were you able to create wealth and fire your boss? Let's talk about it. Shh, say less, listen more. Pre-game tip from the big homie. And I got one more for you. If it's easy to get, probably isn't worth having. And if it's worth having, it probably isn't easy to get. And I'm saying that to say this. Anything that I'm going to show you, any technique that I show you, it's going to take some elbow grease. You're going to have to work.
What?
You're going to have to work.
How dare you?
Y'all, I know. The word work is disrespectful to most of y'all. But I got to be honest. If you don't take action, then you'll be stuck in the beginning of the race looking like a whodunit. And just so I don't waste any of your time, if you don't have the drive to do a little bit of the work, then this might not be the channel for you. You might as well watch cat videos. Team Touch, let's talk about it. I've identified 8 streams of income. I'm going to go over 4 of them in this video, and I'm going to go over the next 4 in another video, just for the sake of time. Time is probably one of the most valuable commodities that we have. Stream 1, earned income. That's the most basic form of income. It's the kind of income that you get when you exchange your time for the moolah, for the money, for the ducats. So any job you got to clock in and out of, any side hustle, Uber Eats, Grubhub, that you have to trade your time to make the dime, then that will go under that category. I'm not a big fan of earned income. I kind of believe that we're kind of brainwashed to become drones of this earned income system, but that's just me, and maybe that's something that we could talk about on a later date. Stream 2, profit income. Profit income is the income that you get when you sell something for more than what you bought it for. So you get it from the wholesaler and you sell it at retail. It's a basic business. It's sort of like your Amazons, your Walmarts. Remember Kmart? Any business that you sell something for more than what you got it for. Now, the beautiful thing about this particular stream of income is that the wages earned doesn't weigh heavy on the time spent, which is way better than earned income when you got to trade your time for your money. I have been involved in profit income before. I'm not currently engaging in it. Sometimes it worked out great. Sometimes it worked out bad due to some items that depreciate and some other factors that we can discuss in a later video. But the most important part of profit income is that you could build wealth way faster than you could with earned income. Stream 3, interest income. Interest income is the money that you get if you were to loan your money out and you would charge interest on the person that would owe you the money back, or by placing your money in a savings account that gains interest over time. Now, a lot of accounts don't give you a high percentage on gaining interest, but this could be one of the best ways to create passive income to where if you put enough money in and you let the interest compound, it could probably be an ultimate source of passive income. Finally, the last stream of the day, stream 4, dividend income. Dividend income is the income that you earn when you invest in a stock and become a shareholder. I've been a shareholder for over the past 3 years for numerous stocks, and a few of those stocks pay out dividends. I've been able to benefit from my investments. And hopefully, with the game I pass on through these videos, you'll be able to benefit too. Thanks for showing up. I appreciate you. And if I brought you any value, subscribe, hit the like button. Don't do it for the algorithm. Do it for the big homie. Peace.